that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me.
Hey, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is sponsored by Wiggins Hair. Thank you so much, Wiggins Hair, for sending over this new wig. Now let's go ahead and jump right into the video. All right, before we get started, make sure you do one thing. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you are subscribed, make sure you're still subscribed because YouTube is out here playing with people. Like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it. And let's go ahead and jump right in. Have to excuse me, I'm having a little bit of an allergy attack. I've been sneezing and my nose is a little stuffy, so please excuse that. All right, so our package comes in this nice, beautiful yellow box. I love this yellow. It's like the perfect shade of yellow. I love it. Wiggins Hair, I like this little crown. That's cute. Obviously, we have our wig. I'll hop into that in a second. And okay, keeping with the yellow theme, we have a wig melt band. Love these. You have a bag to hold and store your wig in if you don't want to store it in the box. Obviously, the bag can go, you know, into a drawer and it takes up a lot less space. And I definitely have a hair drawer. I know you do too. Comes with a wig cap. This looks like it's the HD wig cap. I haven't tried one of these yet, but soon maybe I will. Here is a edge control brush and some lashes. All right, so pretty much the standard stuff. The wig we have today is a 16-inch wig. It's 250% density. It's curly. It's a 13 by 4 lace frontal wig, and it's in the cap size medium. Already, I like the color of the lace. The color of the lace is nice. Wow, definitely pre-plucked. Definitely pre-plucked. Not sure about pre-bleached, but definitely pre-plucked. This hairline looks good. Good. Doesn't look pre-bleached, but we could go ahead and spray it with our Ebin lace tint spray. But let me show you the cap construction first. Obviously, a full frontal. It is a 13 by 4 frontal. You're going to get your combs on either side. You already have your elastic band sewed in. It's not an adjustable one, but this looks like it has a lot of good stretch. You have your adjustable straps, and you have a comb in the back. This hair is nice and full. This is 250 density. This is beautiful. This hair feels soft. No smell, anything like that. Of course, my nose is a little stuffy, but no smell. This hair is so, look at how my hands are running through this. Wow. This hair is beautiful. Love the curl pattern. So let me stop rambling. I'm going to go ahead and add some lace tint spray in here. I'm going to use my Ebin adhesive spray just to hold it down just for the day. You know, I don't use glue. I just use adhesive spray. Cut the lace, style the wig, add some mousse, add some water, let it air dry, and then I'll be back. Hey, so just gonna come in and do a little bit of commentary here. So this is a brown wig cap. I do get these on Amazon because they're darker than the ones that come with the wigs. I still add my contour powder, which is the darkest shade that I use for my makeup when I'm doing my makeup. Then I added my Ebin lace tint spray, and the shade that I use is medium dark brown, and this is also available on Amazon. I'll leave links to everything down in the description box. These scissors are just some cutting shears that I got from Amazon. They're really great to cut the lace. Be sure you don't cut it too close, because I cut it too close on the other side of my head, and you'll see I kind of struggled with doing the lace on this side of my head because I cut the lace too close. So you can always cut more away later. Just keep that in mind. I used my edge control to just keep my hair back because my hair had a lot of flyaways. My braids were really old and just getting raggedy. So I used a little bit of edge control to just hold my edges back. And then I grabbed my Ebin spray adhesive. This is the one in the black can. It's my favorite one. I grab it from Amazon, as well as my little fan. I love using that instead of grabbing my blow dryer. It's just so big and bulky and loud. I think the babies were sleeping, so I was like, let me not use that big blow dryer right now. So grab my rat tail comb and just start laying the wig where I think I want it to be. And when I get it where I want it to be, I go ahead and pin the back of the hair back and then just add my lace melt band. So here is just a regular water bottle I grabbed off of Amazon. I'm adding water to the hair after I kind of combed it out a little bit. Grabbed my wide tooth comb, combed it out a little bit more, added more water because it wasn't wet enough yet. And then I grabbed my Nairobi styling foam, and I also get that from Amazon. I'll leave everything down below so you can grab all the tools that I used for this. Grab the styling foam and use my dimming brush to define the curls, and I also used finger coiling technique to make the curls really pop and make the ones stick together in kind of a clump where I wanted it to be. And that's pretty much what I do with all my curly wigs at this point. This dimming brush is the secret weapon. I absolutely love this dimming brush. So yeah, definitely grab that if nothing else, because it really makes your curls pop.
I just gotta tell you what's in my mind, you gotta know. Body smoking like a cigarette. Baby, I can smoke it out. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going.
So the hair is about 80% dry, but I definitely wanted to work on this lace. As you can see, the lace came out amazing. Wiggins hair, kudos to you, because this lace color was perfect. The amount of plucking that was already pre-done was perfect. I didn't have to pluck anymore or do anything to this wig. The only thing I wish I'd done differently was not cut so much lace in this area of my sideburn area, because I did struggle in that area. But I went ahead and cut my ear tabs so that the lace wouldn't be covering my ears. I did that on either side, added a little more lace melt adhesive and sprayed that edge down. And yeah, this wig was so fire. It didn't take a lot to get this wig looking good. Highly recommend this hair. The hair is beautiful. The lace is easy to work with. Very beginner friendly look, you guys.
Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that way, I move that.
So I was getting a little bit of cast and reflection from the adhesive spray, so I added a little coconut oil. This is just the one by OGX. You can find that on Amazon as well. Look at that melt, you guys. That melt is amazing. This wig looks so bomb. I was wearing a top. I realized, like, you guys might not think I was wearing a top. It's just a tube top. The only thing I would do differently, like I said, was cut a little less of the lace. But you guys, this wig was just so fire. It looks so natural. Everyone that saw me in this wig was just like, girl, this wig is everything. It's so pretty. You can add a little more powder around the edge just to help the edge of the lace blend, but overall I think this wig is gorgeous. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you like the video and share it. Share it with a friend. Share it with a wig lover. Share this video with your mama. Peace.